Next, we will go for the Lustre openEuler support. openEuler is one of the most popular OS in China now. So we want to introduce Lustre into openEuler and to make Lustre running on ARM64 closer to the users. So first of all, we want to make openEuler upstream support support in the upstream. We have defined as several tasks. First, we add the client support for openEuler first, which is Landy, and the openEuler support LTS release is the 22.03, and where we in the patch we reference to the RHEL because openEuler use the same package manager tool DMF, which makes openEuler is somewhat like the RHEL Linux family. For example, for the build scripts and auto configures and the RPM spec, we also reference the RHEL family Linux. And the second part is the server M support for openEuler, which should be learned soon because we have several reviewing from the maintainers. And we also support the latest openEuler LTS 22.07.03. And for the build script, we also reference to the RHEL Linux. Maybe the main part is the LDFS patch, which is based on AST4. The patch is based on the 5.10 Linux mainline series because the latest openEuler LTS kernel is based on 5.10. And we also reference to 5.14 kernel of the source Linux and RHEL 9.1 because the openEuler kernel have backport some of the upstream backfist. We need to update the patch. And the other tool is the maybe the dependent packages component support for openEuler, which are the OpenZipFS, which is one of the backend file system, and E2FS host, which is the LDFS file system user space tool. And both of them are supported by the upstream and patches are merged. Okay, next. Besides the upstream support, we also doing the openEuler RPM engineering, and we will have three package the OpenCFS package and the E2FS POS package, and then the Lustre RP, the Lustre itself packaging. And for the OpenCFS package, we will working on the latest release branch, which is the 2.1 release branch. And we need to backport the openEuler build support patch for the packaging. And for the E2FS ports, we also introduce the latest version, which is 1.64.5 version. And with a backport openEuler build support patch, we need to make a multi-version RPN to distinguish with the original E2FS package. And for the Lustre RPM package, we introduced the latest LTS release, which is the 2.15 release. And we need to backport. Also, we need to backport some openEuler support patch from the master branch. Now all the patches are on the upstream reviewing now. Yeah. Okay. This is the openEuler support on for Lustre. Next. Okay, thank you for joining our session. And any question are welcome. We are keeping online for to answer your questions. Thank you.
Thank you.